Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've decided we would go back to basics. You guys always see me doing highlights, toning, teasy lights, and foil conversions. So I figured today we would switch it up and do a little bit of basic stuff. I do have a lot of cosmetology students who follow me as well, so I wanted to show you all what a gray coverage root touch-up and a toner refresh looks like for my clients. This is my client Catherine, and she's about 75% white, so we did a teasy light about 2 or 3 months ago and gave her a very beautifully blended caramel color. The best thing about my teasy lights is my clients can go as long as they want before they touch it up. I have clients who go 6, 12, even 18 months before they retouch that teasy light. With Catherine being 75% white, she likes to come in for a root touch-up every 3 weeks. When she first came to me, she was an all over level 3 or 4, so I've been using Age Defy by Joico, my favorite double pigmented color line for gray coverage, and with her I've been using a 5NN. Even though it's a little bit lighter than her old color at the root, it still blends beautifully and doesn't cause any problems. I want to start transferring her to a lighter root, and in the future we are going to break up that darker color at the base and eventually get her a little bit lighter at the root so that her gray coverage doesn't have to be touched up so often. Remember, the darker the color, the quicker you'll see the gray.
Start. I don't know where to go. I'm told I'll reap all of what I sow. These mistakes have no one else to blame. Our emotions are one and the same. So come on over, we can persevere, persevere. So come on over, we can persevere.
Just a few things I do want to mention. If your client has lighter ends like mine, you have to be extremely careful when applying your root retouch. If I'm using a 5NN, which is a double neutral, it's half warm and it's half cool. If I accidentally hit lighter pieces, it could then turn them muddy. The blonder your client is, the worse off it will be. Keep that in the back of your mind. You want to have a clean application. You don't want to get messy with it. Also, I don't want to go past that 1/2 inch where her white hair grew out because we want to make sure the blend still looks very good. Remember, saturation is key, but you don't need to oversaturate. That's a problem I see people do all the time. Either they don't saturate enough or they saturate way too much and it ends up becoming a problem. You have to have a balanced, neutral right in the middle.
Believing you are scarred.
If you've been following me for some time, you know I always love combing it through for that seamless blend. When touching up the root, it is no different. I take my weaving comb and make sure I comb through once I am done with every section. I usually always outline all my quadrants before I begin normally doing the retouch, but I didn't today because I wanted to keep it simple for all the new beginners watching. Another thing that is a pet peeve of mine is when people leave their clients with color all over their skin, their ears. Keep it clean. It is not hard to keep a root touch-up clean. Either have yourself or your assistant go through and use a color remover wipe and wipe down the ears all around the hairline, because when the client sits there and they're processing and they see that color all over their face, they do begin to panic. There's no reason to let people leave with that kind of stuff on their face. Also, if this is your first time watching my video, make sure you join the family by hitting that subscribe button. I post a new tutorial video every single Tuesday at 4 p.m. And for her toner, I mix 7NB, 7P, and 6T to refresh her ends. Now on to toning. This part is optional, but most clients do like at least every other time when they get their roots touched up, if they do have blonde or a lighter color, to do a toner and refresh those ends. My client Catherine loves doing it the most because it adds such a shine and such a gloss. My favorite to tone with is Shades EQ. You guys probably already know that. The best thing about Redken Shades EQ when you're toning the ends with it is it lathers just like a shampoo. So sometimes I don't even have to wash the hair again with shampoo after I'm done. I could just wash it out and then I can just do the conditioner. Watch how it just lathers and goes right through her hair with no problem. This is like a 10 benefit. So this, if you got this alone, is like a heat protectant. I love that stuff. This is the heat protectant I love. I tried every one on the market. This one doesn't weigh your hair down and it smells so delicious. It protects up to 450 degrees. This is a split end mender and this is their new leave-in. Everybody can use a good leave-in. And this is the Olaplex Bond Smoother, which is like a blow-up cream.
To start, I don't know where to go. I'm told I'll reap all of what I sow. These mistakes have no one else to blame. Emotions are one and the same. So come on over, we can persevere, persevere. So come on over, we can persevere.
As I wrap up these gorgeous speech waves, you can see how shiny and how beautiful my client's hair looks. Another video is now in the history books. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and give a follow on Instagram as well at BR Hair Artistry. All formulas and all good information is down below in the description box. Also remember to comment below videos you guys want to see as well. My channel is hair education for you guys. So until next Tuesday at 4 p.m., so long for now.